Hi, how are you guys? I hope you all are doing well today again, and welcome back to channel. And today's we are going to cover the data analysis. In the last video we covered that the data cleaning, and after that it's the last part of the our data set, because our data set is really smallest one, so that's why. So before we do the some analysis, we need some columns for these analyzing these stocks. So first we need a price change column, which is like difference between the close and the open columns, right? So we'll just make this code, and then we'll just call it, and we'll get this price change here. This is the 0 to 9 is an index. This is the change of close minus open, so plus positive, it's showing us that that is really going up, and the minus is showing that it's going down. Then we also need a daily return. So for the daily return we need that price change first, and we just divide from the open column, and we'll just get the daily return. So again, 0 to 9 is just index, and this is our daily returns of the stocks. If we are investing our money on it, so what amount we're gonna get back. In the negative, it's showing that this is really loss for us. Positive is going up, so yeah, which is beneficial, right? We'll just check the data again, so df.head, and we'll see that we'll get this price change column, daily return column over here. Now we can do the performance, right? So first we see that company performance, and we'll just get the mean of it. So for the companies close prices, so we see that both companies has this 194 for the Apple, it's a closing stock price, Google for the 143. So which one is better? We can understand that just watching the data for the of the close price, right? Then if we get the average return using the daily average return for the companies, then it's a daily return. If we are gonna invest in the Apple, we are gonna get this amount of the daily return for it, and for the Google 0.0071, which is, so we can understand which one is better and which one is not. The last one, the risk analysis, so it's just going to show us that, so it's showing that if the standard deviation is a higher and the value is really up, then it means the stock is really fluctuated a lot. And if it's if the standard deviation is really 0, or the at the lowest one, then it should be like really stable stock, so would be good for us to invest our money in it. Then we see the trading activities, and for the trading activities we just get the volume of it. So it means how much stocks are bought or sold at that particular day of that particular company, so which is going to see using the mean for the volume for particular companies, and we just compare that. The last, we'll just use the matplotlib library, and yes, we'll just get that line chart for the both companies, and for the date, particular date, and the using the close price, so we can see the fluctuation of that line, how much it fluctuated on particular date, right? So we can see that, see this one over here on the 4th, it is going up, then it almost the stable one, right? So that all analysis we can do using the data. After the cleaning that data set, we can get some insight, as we just see that over here, this is just the EDA, basic EDA, as we have just the smallest one, the data set, so we have not covered something really like trendy, but yes, we are just covered the basic one. So yes guys, you can go through of it, you can see that. And this series has only 3 videos because the data set is small, so I don't think so I'll have to make another video using this data set, but hopefully I'll be back with something new and something really good. Right, so thank you so much for watching me. Thank you again.